Okay, get a look at these. Okay, we are here. This is north, northwest, and west. And I'm going to show you some of the... See, watch this, look. This is the one that's directly to our north. And it has 32,000 echo top. That's pretty big. Okay, another one with hail, 31,000. Looking almost to our west now. 31,000 hail top. And I'm going to show you, because I'm not sure how to pause this video yet, but I'm going to show you north and northwest and west here. And they're getting to be pretty big. You can tell they're closer. See, look. See? Anvil cloud right there. We even got one tiny one way to freak out to the east. But this is north, going around to northwest, and these are a bunch of mature anvil clouds out to the west. We even got some in the southwest, but they're even more distant.